Hello friends, welcome back. Our today's topic is direction. As we know, direction is one of the very important topic for any kind of exams. Let it be bank, SSC, railway, UPSC, CSAT and placement trainings. In all the exams, you can expect 2 to 3 questions. So let's understand the question here and try to solve, because this is one of the very important question and it is in a form of a small puzzle. So let's start doing it. Question number 1 is 8 person M through T are standing in such a way that O is 20 meter apart from N towards west. N is 30 meters south with respect to M. M is 40 meter towards west with respect to Q. P is 50 meter towards south with respect to Q. R is 15 meter apart from S towards north, and T is 20 meter towards east with respect to S. R is 40 meter towards west with respect to P. So basically we have to draw a diagram and we have to place all the 8 persons in the diagram, and then followed by we'll have 2 to 3 questions, 1 to 3, that we have to solve. So before solving any question of direction, the first thing what we do is we draw the diagram of direction. So this will be north, east, south, and this will be west, right? Okay, now we start with the first line. O is 20 meter apart from N towards west, right? Okay, so where should we place N? N we will place it here. Now O is 20 meter apart from N towards west, so west will be in this direction, right? Okay, so O is 20 meter apart from N, so 20 meter we will take this distance, and O is where? Here, and this distance is our 20 meter, right? Okay, next line is N is 30 meter south with respect to M. N is 30 meter south with respect to M. So if you'll see the south direction, then south direction will be like this, right? Okay, and in that N is 30 meters south with respect to M. So where will be M? See, N is in south of M, so M should be somewhere here. So M will be somewhere here. How much distance? 30 meter, right? Okay, so till here we have completed. Now M is 40 meter towards west with respect to Q. So this M is in west direction from Q. So where will be west direction? West direction you see in this direction. So M is in west direction with respect to Q. So that means Q will be here, and this distance is given 40 meter. You see here M is 40 meter in west with respect to Q. Now P is 50 meter towards south with respect to Q. So with respect to Q, P is 50 meter towards south. So if you'll see south, south will be downwards, right, in this direction. So somewhere P will be here. See, they're telling 50 meter. The distance is how much? 50 meter. So till here it will be 30 meter. So you'll have to go little more. So this distance we will assume it is 50 meter, and P will come here, right? Okay. Now next is R is 15 meter apart from S towards north. Now R is not given and S is not given till now. See, till now R and S we have not drawn it here, right? So till now we have O, N, M, Q and P, but R and S we don't know where exactly it will be. The only information we have is R is 15 meter apart from S towards north. That means north will be this way, right? Okay, so R is 15 meter towards north from S, right? Okay, but where to draw, this information we do not have. So for time being we will leave this information as it is, and we will go to the next line. T is 20 meter towards east with respect to S. Again S and T is not given, so we will skip this line also. Now go to the last line. R is 40 meter towards west with respect to P. So where is P? P is here, and 40 meter towards west. So west if you will see in this direction, so 40 meter will be what? This distance. See, because this is a parallel distance, so this will be also 40 meter. So here who will come? R will come. Now we have R here, right? Okay, now let's go to the line which we have skipped. So R is 15 meter apart from S towards north. So R is 15 meter towards north from S. So suppose this is S here, so this will become 15 meter, right? So this line we have drawn it here. Now the next line is T is 20 meter towards east with respect to S. So if you'll see S is here and east direction will be in this way, right? So how much distance? T is 20 meter. So 20 meter will be half of this 40 meter. So somewhere I will place it here. This is 20 meter and this will become my T, right? So this is the final diagram where we have placed all the 8 persons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we have placed all the 8 person in this diagram, and then followed by we have 3 questions that we have to answer. Let's draw the diagram again. So what we have got is, this is O, this is N, this is 20 meter, and again your M is here, M is 30 meter, and then again from M I will place it here, and then from M we have Q, this is 40 meter, and from Q we have P, and that distance is 50 meter, and from P again we have R here, and that is again 40 meter, and R is 15 meter from S, and then T is 20 meter from S, and this is the final diagram where we have placed all the 8 persons. Now let's answer the question given here. In which direction is Q standing with respect to R? So if you'll see Q is here, right? We will draw the diagram here, north, east, south and west, so that we will be able to utilize this while solving the question. So in which direction is Q standing with respect to R? So Q is here and R is here. So if you'll see which direction is this, so this is nothing but northeast direction. Q will be in northeast direction from point R with respect to R, and option C will be the correct answer for question number 1. If one more person U is standing towards southwest with respect to P, then in which direction is T standing with respect to U? So if one more person U is standing towards southwest with respect to P, so P is here and the southwest of P will be in this direction. So suppose U is here, southwest means U can be here, and then U can be here also. See, they have only told southwest direction U is there, but at what distance they have not told, right? So from U, if you'll see T, so from here U, if you see T is here, so this will be in southwest direction, right? Okay, now suppose if U is here, then the T will be in this direction, that is nothing but northeast. So we cannot determine exactly in which direction T will be standing with respect to U, because U can be here and U can be here also. We have 2 possibilities of U, because they have only told U is in southwest direction of P, but at what distance that they have not told. So option D cannot be determined will be the correct answer for this question. Now question number 3 is, what is the direction of O with respect to S? So O is here, and where is S? S is here. So if you'll see, this will be somewhat this direction. So this direction will be nothing but northwest direction. So option A will be the correct answer for question number 3. O is in northwest direction with respect to S, right? Our S is here and O is here, so that is northwest direction. I hope you understood the small puzzle, and this kind of questions will be generally asked in your exam. Thanks a lot for watching the video.